Doctors of Reddit, what's the biggest case of faking it you've ever seen? People will try to use the ambulance to transport themselves from one city to another by faking seizures. Sometimes when the head EMT lady was feeling fun and knew that the person was faking, she'd say something like, "Wow, it's weird that he's having seizures but not peeing himself." Apparently, the person would snap out of it for a second, weigh up the repercussions, then either pee themselves or stop faking. Had a patient in the hospital faking blindness. She would constantly be playing on her smartphone, only furiously trying to hide it when someone from the care team came into her room. The best was when my attending one day strolled past her room and threw his hand up in a highly exaggerated hello wave. She started to throw her arm up too, but caught herself halfway through, then threw her hand back into her lap and pretended to be staring off into nothing.